How to mount a strut brace to any Mark 2 Golf, Mark 3 Golf, Corrado, etc. and still be able to access the reservoir for the brakes and the reservoir for the radiator. Okay, here's a quick video for you. So you have your strut brace on your Mark 3 Golf and you want to make it fit. So you get like that, sit down like that. Okay, we can access the reservoir for the brake cylinder, or for the brake reservoir, but now our coolant bottle won't reach because it's just in the way and you just can't get the lid on. So yeah, it's really a good idea obviously to be able to access both of them. You could undo it here, but ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, you can't open the coolant bottle. So that's annoying. Let's take that off, spin it around, do the other way around. So that's on there, that's on, well, there it goes. So now we can get to the reservoir bottle here for the coolant, but now we can't get to the brake reservoir. So that's not going to work. So what's the solution? So here I have my Project Mark 3 Golf. It's the exact same as here, Mark 2 Golf. So we now have access to our brake fluid bottle, which is important. And coming over this side, we can also access the coolant bottle. So what's different to the other car? Well, obviously this is a rectangle coolant bottle. The other one is a ball. It makes absolutely no difference. It's just by chance this one worked out like that. And we can open the lid and it's not impeded by the bar going across. Exact same bar. So what have I done? So moving this off here, we're going to have a better look. So this bracket down here that holds on the reservoir bottle should be mounted more this way. So you have access to the lid over here. I've cut the bracket off, brought it more forward and welded it back on. So you can see where it's been welded just there. And now, okay, get that in there. Now we can access both the reservoir bottle and the brake reservoir bottle. So I think that's really important because if you are driving, you're on a cruise, whatever, and any warning lights come on, you do have to be able to access both the reservoir bottle for the coolant and reservoir bottle for the brake fluid. There's no point saying, oh, you can undo this nut. Yeah, but if you have no spanners or you want to access very quickly, it's a big job to take any of this stuff off. So I do think if you are going to mount a strut brace on permanently, you should be able to also access all your reservoir bottles without any impedance. So that's what I've done. Nice little trick. Solved.